Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Touchpad not working after the Windows 11 previous update. So first guys, check your touchpad disable or enable. Press the laptop functions key and touchpad key varies by manufacturer and it's enable or disable. Otherwise, you have to connect a wire mouse to your laptop or desktop. Okay, mostly laptop. Then click to start. Go to setting, then Bluetooth and device, then find out the touchpad. You can see touchpad. So if disable or enable, if it is disable, so click on enable. Okay, and then close it. Next method, check the device manager. So click to start, type device manager. I can see device manager, click on it. Now find out the point device, human point device interface. Okay, this is a touchpad Asus. I am using Asus laptop, so Asus touchpad driver. Okay, so if you are using different, so no worry about that. You can see point device touchpad, you can find out one by one. So mostly in this manufacturer, and if other, so touchpad is common name. Okay, so right click to update and update automatically, and then close it. Again right click, property, driver. Okay, so you can click on rollback, then yes it. Okay, and then close it. Now guys, you have to check otherwise still. So next step, next method, install the chipset and touchpad driver. So open any browser to type your laptop model number, like I am using Asus vivobook vivobook chipset driver. Okay, and suppose we are using different Dell laptop HP, so no worry about it. You can search if you are confused, so please check link in description. So fill out this form, so I will be provide the support on remote. Okay, so then click to first. Otherwise you can select automatically detect the computer series, then I accept, then start, allow. After that it will show here. Click to driver and tool, scroll down. So this is a VLAN, means Wi-Fi driver. So guys, this is a chipset driver. First click to download. So it is start. Let's start the installation. Open this file which is downloaded, then click yes for the administrator access. Okay, next, I accept the agreement. Next, install. Next, install. Yeah, no, I will start later. Then chipset is installed. Now need to install point device touchpad driver. Okay, and click to download. So again just start and it's completed, then open it. Then click to yes, then same next, 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 install. Finish, then close it. Then guys, next method and very important, click to start, type CMD the search, right click to run as administrator. This is compulsory, yeah? And then click yes for administrator rights. So this 4 command I will give you in the descriptions. So you have to copy one by one. So first click copy, and if it is not copy, you just type manually also. Okay, and then hit enter. Some command will complete very fast. Okay, and some commands will take some time. So no worry about it. It will complete, and then close it. So you can see this is a started the percentage. So all 4 command we have to use your system one by one. Check health, scan health, and restore also. Okay, so sometime it will stop. Okay, means when you click on any other window, okay, so it will sometimes stop. Now you just select this percentage and then hit. So when you click to hit now, then it will start again. So now first command is 100% completed. Now second, okay, and then hit enter. Oh, operations is complete successfully. Then select third one. So this is third command, scan health. So this is the third command. Okay, like it will run like that. This is the management tool. So it is completed. Then fourth command, last, and this is so important. Huh? Again copy, right click copy, and then hit enter. So guys, this is also completed for command and 100%. After that, we have to restart system. Okay, so restart, in this case the restart is compulsory. Okay, yeah, so this restore operations completely. No component store corrupted detected. Okay, yeah, this is the logs. So click to start and then restart it.